All right, back with another video. Just wanted to show some people just a couple quick tips on trading, knowing when to buy, knowing when to possibly sell. Just a couple quick indicators for people that are new. Very simple. Once you have a Binance account, for me, Binance is the best one, has the most currencies on there, especially Ripple. I'm all in on Ripple. Ripple, Cardano, Tron, a few other ones, Mana. These are all really cheap ones, like you should just buy and hold on to. They have a lot of good backing behind it. They're really good projects and things should come out of them. All right, so what you want to do is up here, indicators. So once you're on this point, I actually either use original view or trading view, doesn't matter. They're both actually pretty good. I always have Bollinger Bands and RSI. Those are like my two favorite indicators. First, what you want to see is the Bollinger Bands. These are called Bollinger Bands right here. There's always three of them. One of the easiest indicators is when the price drops below the lower band. As you see right here in this example right here, if you bought there, could have sold it up here and made some quick money if you're day trading. Another one really good one I like to use a lot is this, the RSI. Anytime this drops like below 30,000, buy the heck out of it, whatever you're buying. I always like to check on news. I mean, if something drops like crazy, check some news before you put your hard-earned money in. Again, I'm not trying to give anybody financial advice here, just trying to show you some tips that I've learned. I've been doing this for a while, accumulated thousands of coins, all sorts of coins, and those are my two best tips. Really start there, as well as always pay attention to the order book. Order book tells a nice little story as well. These are all walls. Some of them are fake, some of them are real, meaning that you'll see people like, look at this guy, the 8,000 order is gone now. There it is. You'll see them constantly moving around. Sometimes they'll jump places, they'll jump up, they'll jump back, depending if the price is going up, it's going down. And they don't want to make that trade. But when you're buying and selling, you want to buy with the walls, meaning my little tip is I kind of buy in front of them. You know, if I'm looking at the chart and I see something happening and, you know, something that's indicating me to buy, I want it fast, and I don't want to wait for 9,800 and change to get bought and sold before me. So I try to jump in between those. You know, for instance, right here. So I would buy the 915 because it gets it ahead of that 914 price. If you just saw it, it's gone now. But you always want to make sure your order gets in. Looks like Ripple's going to drop maybe a little bit, maybe like 35.5 cents. It'll probably it's on today's low. So we got a floor here. Now we're looking for a new ceiling somewhere. Could drop a little bit lower, but looks like it found a little support and climbing up a little bit. We'll see what happens. I always like to use the 15-minute chart. That's a really good chart to use, especially if you're buying and selling consistently. And then you just want to compare things to the past. So as you see today, this was last night, it's probably early this morning, I remember Bitcoin shot all the way up to about 45 cents. And slowly it's kind of been taking steps down, probably because of the holiday season. But it's settling pretty nice. Um, it could drop a little bit more, but I don't really see it. You know, if you're looking to get it at 28 cents again, that time's probably long and gone, especially with Bitcoin going up as well. But, you know, if you're buying at 34, 35, 36 cents, you're doing all right. You'll be fine. You know, Ripple's a long-term type thing, especially all the partnerships that are coming out. Western Union was just announced. Um, you know, this is a coin where it doesn't matter if you buy it at 35 cents, 40 cents. It should go back up to $1, $2, $3, and eventually 100 and 1200 one day is some projections people are making. But Ripple's very important, really good one. Second market cap, and it's one that's really trying to integrate with banks out there. So give it a shot. I'm going to put some links in the description. If you want to hit the like button, cool. I mean, I don't do this to make a living or anything, but I'll put some links for free Bitcoins when you sign up for new accounts of a minimum of $100 deposit on Coinbase. And then you want to send that money from Coinbase to Binance or any other trading platforms. Coinbase and Binance I recommend the most because they're the most reliable. They've been around for a while. They're big companies now, especially Coinbase. You want to think of that one as like a wallet. They sell a few currencies. They're going to sell some more on there, especially the smaller altcoins. So look out for that, especially if Ripple gets on there. If Ripple gets on Coinbase, that should at least shoot the coin up to at least 60 cents. So, you know, a lot of good hope for the future. And Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and let's make it a fucking crazy ass profitable year in 2019. Good luck, everybody. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll always reply if you comment. Thank you.